Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a reaction channel, a channel more for fun, a channel we don't argue, we don't fight. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed and you're on this channel right now watching this video, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you like, you share the video. And guys, let me dive right into the video. And as you see the topic, as the topic suggests, this is what is happening in Jamaica right now during election time. Now, Jamaica is home of reggae, jerk chicken, and apparently, no, it's bomb threats. Can you imagine that? Now I know what you're thinking. Bomb threats in a Jamaica? Yeah, it's like a plot twist in a soap opera, except the soap opera has more drama than a telenovel or steroids. So, this past Friday, Jamaica's government got hit with email threats. Multiple departments, ministries, agencies. And I'm sitting there thinking, wow, even the bombs are trying to get in on the politics now. I mean, in Jamaica, we are used to political drama, but emails? That's next level. Maybe the bombs wanted an invite to the party. Like, hey, don't forget us. We want some airtime too. No, the police say these threats posed zero to low risk. Zero to low risk. That's like telling your Jamaican grandma your cooking is like salty today, but she knows she's still gonna eat it anyway. And these threats came by way of email. I thought to myself, wow, emails are really taking over. Even the bombs are trying to be modern. I mean, in the old days, you'd get a threatening note in a bottle or a telegram. Now it's email. Things are getting high-tech, folks. And what makes this even more interesting? The accusations flying left and right. The Jamaica Labour Party, led by Dr. Horace Chang, said that the bomb threats were carried out by elements within the People's National Party. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been in politics long enough to know accusations are like Jamaican stew. Everyone's got their own recipe and nobody really knows what's inside. But Dr. Chang, no evidence, just straight up accusations like it's them. I feel in my bones. And the PNP, they said, nah man, we don't know anything about it. Probably just some rogue email hackers trying to stir up trouble. The politics for you, like a game of who done it, but with more emails and more clues. You know, I've been involved in politics myself, and I remember one time I got a threatening email about my campaign. I was like, whoa, this is serious. Then I opened it. It was from my cousin trying to scare me to get me to share the last piece of jerk chicken. Turns out, even threats can be family, folks. And with the email flying around, I wonder, are the bombs just trying to be relevant? Maybe they're just looking for a little fame, like, hey, I'm not just a threat, I'm a viral threat. But let's give credit when it's due. Our security forces responded quickly. The police assessed the threats and said all offices are safe to reoccupy. That's Jamaican efficiency right there. We see the threat, we check it, we say it's okay, and we move on with our day. And I have to respect the security forces. Those guys and gals put their lives on the line every day. I mean, they are like the real superheroes. No capes, just bulletproof vest. Now, here's the kicker. This happened just before the election. The government says these threats are trying to disrupt the voting process. And I'm thinking, really? Bomb threats to stop us from voting? That's like trying to stop a Jamaican from eating jerk chicken. And that's impossible. Because Jamaicans don't run from threats. They dance around them. We are like, come on, bam, do your worst. Still going to vote. And Dana Scott Motley, a PNP campaign spokesperson, told supporters to stay resolute. She said, vote on September 3rd. Don't let anything stop you. That's the Jamaican spirit. Resolute, unshaken, and always ready to turn chaos into celebration. We turn every challenge into a dancehall beat. And I got to say, the rivalry between JLP and PNP, it's like a family feud that's been going on since independence. One side says it's them, the other says, nah, it's you. It's like two cousins arguing over who makes the best curry goat, except their argument involves email threats and bomb scares. Honestly, sometimes I wonder if these threats are just political smoke and mirrors, a way to distract us from real issues like, look out here, we got bombs. Don't look at the economy or the crime rate or the potholes in a Kingston. But you know what? We Jamaican people are resilient. No matter what they throw at us, email threats, political accusations, or even a downpour during a reggae concert, we still find a way to smile, dance, and keep moving. That's why, even in chaos, we find humor, because if we didn't laugh, we'd cry. And honestly, sometimes I think the politicians, both JLP and PNP, are just trying to make us laugh. Or maybe they're just trying to see who can scare more. So to all of my Jamaican brothers and sisters out there, I say, don't let email threats, bomb scares, or politics stop you from exercising your right to vote. We have survived slavery, hurricanes, and now email hackers. What's a little bomb threat? Get out there on September 3rd, cast your vote, and let's show the world that Jamaica isn't afraid of threats, even ones sent by email. Because at the end of the day, we are not just a country, we are a vibe. We turn chaos into culture and threats into jokes. That's what makes Jamaica special. Thank you, thank you. You have been a fantastic audience. Now go out there and vote, because if we can survive email ban threats, we can survive anything. And hey, next time you get a strange email, ask yourself, could it be a bomb? Or just your cousin trying to borrow money? Either way, stay safe, stay Jamaican, and keep laughing.